Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this elderberry. I'm going to do it step by step. This video, I'm going to show you how to just cook it. Cook it. You have to excuse the screaming. I live right next to a park. I don't know if you can see that. Hey, it doesn't make me feel so alone. Anyways, I got my pan heated up, and in the meantime, I'm going to be grabbing my jars, and then I'm going to be sanitizing them. Because I am going to be making some, looking at these bugs, they're in the window. I'm going to be making some jelly, and maybe some syrup out of this. So the main thing is to get, the thing about these elderberries, and I've done this before, is to get as much juices. Now you can't get all the stems out, like see these little tiny stems. Can't get them all out. And I always wondered, I wonder if we can make grappa. If you haven't had grappa, it's like Italian tequila. It's very, very strong. I've had it before, and I actually they used to sell it at Trader Joe's, but they don't anymore. So anyways, I like my new kitchen. I like the, had someone encourage me to declutter, and I really, really like, it feels like a kitchen now. I had the toaster oven here, and it felt like I couldn't stand being in here. But I actually like, it gives me a little bit more, I still have, the same counter space, but I'm really, really liking the space I have now. I feel like I have a little area where I could work out of. I can actually work out. I've got my board here, and then I could put whatever, the chopping board, my food board on top of that, and it's just nice. I'm really enjoying this space. Oh, it feels like I could breathe again. Oh my God, because I was feeling so claustrophobic. I can't even talk. Anyway, so I'm going to be putting this in there, and the thing about elderberries, you can actually reuse, you can add a little bit of water to them and get more juice out of it. I always get, when I'm washing the elderberries, which I have done, when I'm washing them, I get sad. I get really super sad because a lot of the juices are going down the drain. And because that's the dirty, I call it the dirty juice. And this is like the clean juice, but I couldn't get all the stems out, like I said, but hey, a little bit of grappa won't hurt. So I'll show you how to do that. Okay, there you go. So I'm going to go ahead and take a little container like this. This is my saving grace, and just scoop it in there. It's going to sizzle ma nizzle. And you're going to see all the juices in there. I'm actually picking up some juices. So here you go. And be careful, it does stain. It's the elderberries, the black elderberries is what they call it. The black elderberries. I tried to Google and I couldn't find it anymore. I don't know why, but I have found that it's called the black elderberries. Black gold, because it's a dark berry. The bears love them. It's a controversial berry. I don't know why. These people are so dingy. I mean, the elderberries in Europe are a lot more toxic, and we have to process them. And we have elderberry wines. Only in California you'll find some stupid stuff. I'm sorry, but it's the truth. Love California. And there's pros and cons of being in this country. I mean, in this part of the country where, it's like they're always trying to find some crazy stuff. I don't know who makes up this stuff, but it's just crazy. It shouldn't be like that. I mean, elderberries, I just hope they don't lock them up, because it's the only thing that we have that beats immune systems. It's healthy, it's delicious. It's yummy. Look at all that juice in there. See? All that liquid. The juice. So, and it took me a while to pick these because it was exhausting. Not easy picking these. There's still some more out there. Lots more. I just want to go back and pick some more. I'm too tired because it was hard. You know. Yeah, it was just hard. It's nice to have someone help you pick. And it's just nice. Last time I used to help my friend pick their grapes, and then the following year after they fermented, they would give me a case of wine. What am I gonna do with a case of wine? I don't hardly drink anymore. It's supposed to be good for you, but I don't hardly drink anymore, especially after losing my sister. I don't hardly drink anymore. I usually drink white wine if I drink any. But this berry is nice. I'm trying to get as many stems that I can. And then I take like a big old masher. This is a big masher. Ooh. Mince it off. I think I got this at IKEA. I'm not too sure. And then, let me bring you over here. Bring you over here. Big old masher. Like this. Remember, you guys, don't allow anybody to make you feel bad about you. Cut them off. You don't need anybody to make you feel bad about you. If someone makes you feel bad about you, you have to cut them off. You have to protect yourself. You gotta protect your soul. And it's hurtful when people make you feel bad. I'm sure I've done it to others without intentionally because of misunderstandings. And it's okay to say you're sorry. It's okay to say sorry about the misunderstanding. But if someone has mistreated you and they continue to try to, and they bring up some things and they don't want to take responsibility for themselves, leave them alone. That's what I do. That's probably why I'm by myself all the time. Anyways, just leave them alone. Just don't let them continually make you feel bad about yourself. It's just not cool. Anyways, okay, enough of that. So I'm going to allow this to boil. It'll be a nice boil. And then I'm going to smash up the berries. Allow it to boil. Smash up the berries. I'll probably cover it. And then I'm going to have breakfast and I'll show you the next part. Okay. Talk to you later. Or soon. Or whatever.